Welcome to Kim's Art Alchemy. I mixed up 2 ounces of resin, and it's the Bond Craftor resin. And I obviously placed most of it into my little mold here. But before I did that, I decanted 10 grams over here. And I'm now giving eviction notices to these pesky little bubbles that love to get into all those little nooks and crannies. And I swear, no matter how hard I try and give eviction notices and catch them, I swear they just manifest themselves. Just when I think I've got them all. They do, I promise. So I'm gonna try again to try and create something more like a dahlia. And if you saw my previous video, it was kind of a fail. I mean, it wasn't a total fail. It was decent, but it wasn't a dahlia, in my opinion. So we're gonna go again. All right, I'm just doing one. I only mixed up, like I said, 60 grams, just something like 56 point something grams. I'm using bloom paste by Pouring Your Heart Out. You can get it on Julie's eBay store called Pouring Your Heart Out. You might be able to find it on Amazon. On one of her recent videos, she said she was out in her Amazon store, and I know she's moving right now, so she may not have had time to replenish stock. But yeah, that's where you can get it, in her eBay store. Okay, so this time I'm gonna use a combination of Dandelion again, which I said was kind of, that I should have used a lighter color on my last one. But I pulled out this peach and I thought, ooh, the peach looks almost exactly the same as that fluorescent pink that I used. But check this out. When I combined the 2 colors, it works really well. This one here, it didn't work so well, and that was the stain from that fluorescent pink that I used in my previous one. So this color should be darn awesome. How am I gonna do it? I know you're gonna ask that. I'm gonna try and combine the 2 in here to create that color. Of course, the white's gonna interfere a little bit. So the main color definitely has to be the pink because I want it to be a little more pink, but I am, I guess, trying to create a peachy color. Let's do 2 drops. What was this one again? Peach is by Decor Rom, and Alcohol Ink Dandelion is by Ranger. Got a nice pink color. I'm gonna go 1 more, maybe even 2 more. 2, let's do 2. I wanna get a nice vibrant center color and then perhaps make it lighter as we go out. Guess we'll see. Should I do 1 more? Do 1 more. What are we at, 5? I think that's 5. I'll have to go back on my video and see. Which I probably won't do. Ah! A little spritz. Get out. Okay, let's put a lid on this. Now let's try the yellow. I'm gonna do 1 drop. Always go slowly. Less is more, because you don't wanna, you can always add more, but you can't take it out. Okay, that is creating quite the nice peach color. I like it. And I may not even mix it up too much. That was strong. kind of give it an orangey color as I mix it more. Okay, stop. Let's get it in here. My piping bag. I'm thinking I may do 1 drop in the center. Just cut a little bit off the end there. And I'm gonna do semicircles. Or not semicircles. Basic, yeah, almost circles. Loops, loops. I'm gonna add some resin to the side here. And add some of this ink. Maybe do like a little kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Welcome back. Speaking of back, I used a mixture of TLP Submarine, Bird of Paradise, and Afterglow. Mix that all up and put the backing on. I thought it would make a nice color, seeing as how hopefully the inside of this flower, supposedly a dahlia, was a little bit yellowy slash orange. So let's see, shall we? Oh, that is really pretty. What do you think? I'm kind of wishing that inner part wasn't as, or actually, it's weird. This one's more orangey, which I knew, but I didn't expect this to be as pink as it was. That's really interesting. All right, let's come down. You can see, I really like that color background. think it just needs a tad more definition. It probably should have had the same colors all the way through. Again, is it a dahlia? I'm not sure. I like it better than my previous one. Anyway, let's get you in a little closer. Those leaves kind of folded over, which is cool. Yeah, that background is lovely. I think it would have been better had it been all the same color. Note to self, don't experiment with color changes between the first layer and the second layer. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you as always for being here. I appreciate you, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.